Hi, artist. Today we're going to be making some bees. So these are the materials that we're going to need today. The one that you might be looking at thinking, is we are going to be getting a piece of bubble wrap. And where do bees live? I hope you just said beehives, Miss Langdon. Well, in fact, that's what we're going to do with this. So, if you feel your bubble wrap, now I know you want to pop your bubble wrap, but don't. Wait until the very end of art class. At the very end of art class, I'm going to say, let's have a popping party, and we will pop, 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 but not till the end. So, who's gonna pop a bubble now? Nobody. Okay, so anyway, there's those parts so you can feel the bubbles, and then there's a flat part. You need to work at first on the flat part. I need to draw my beehive. So, think about what a good shape is for my beehive. Now, I want to use almost all of my bubble wrap because otherwise, why did I give it to you? Okay, and I'm going to start at the edge, and you're going to need just Sharpie for just a teeny little step, and that would be to make a giant arch or U shape using almost all of your bubble wrap. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the cap back on that. You might get a different marker instead. It doesn't really matter. That's all we need to do with it, because this art project's going to really take 2 art classes. Now I'm going to cut on my line. Now this is going to be the trickiest part. Use the back of your scissors. The back of your scissors are sharper, and if you make small cuts like I am, I'm not going all the way down each time, it'll be easier for you. But this will definitely be the hardest part of making it. Take your time. What's the rush? I've got sticky stuff on my scissors, so I'm really struggling. But I can do it if I don't give up. Almost done. Ding, 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 ding. No, I'm really struggling, aren't I? Ta-da! And I'm saving this because that's for the bubble popping party at the end of art class. I'm going to set it aside. That's just for you. Okay, guys. Keep in mind which is the side with the bubbles and which is the flat side. On the flat side, I'm going to use my glue stick because it's time to glue it down. Now, it might be weird to glue. If you're having difficulty, you can even put a little bit of glue on your paper where you would like it to go. But I think I got this. No, as a matter of fact, gosh, I wish I thought of this before. We might even use the liquid glue. Doesn't really matter. Put the lid on, whether you're using this or a few dots of this. We get what we get, no problem. Where should I put it? I can put it anywhere on the paper I want. I'm going to put it right here. Now, the bubbly side is face up. So this is what I'm going to do. You're also going to get some yellow paint, and mine's just yellow. Yours will probably be yellow with, it might even have a little white in it. If that's the case, just stir it up. And you're going to paint right on top. Some of it might look a little green. Why? Why would the yellow paint look a little green when I put it on my bubbles? I hope you're thinking because yellow and blue are the 2 primary colors that make green, one of the secondary colors. And I'm going to just have fun painting my bubbles. Now today, in addition, we are going to, what else should we add for our beehives? I hope you're thinking the bees, Miss Langdon. All right, guys. Remember, this is a 2-day art project. We're going to add a lot of the decorations in the next art class. For the actual bees, though, we are going to travel to the dark side. That's right, folks. We are traveling to the dark side today. What you are going to do is this. With your paintbrush and your thumb, we're going to make our bees by painting our finger. Now again, remember that your yellow will be lighter than my yellow, because my yellow is definitely going to look green. And did I just stick my thumb in the paint? Nope. And you could put your bees wherever you like. Now I think you should put about 10 bees anywhere on your paper. In the next art class, we'll add all their decorations, because right now they just look like yellow dots. Actually, mine look green because I have the yellow mixing with the blue. Boop. How many have I done so far? 5, 6, 7. Should you touch your neighbor with your finger that's painted? No, my goodness, no, that would be not responsible or kind. So make sure you're following all the instructions. When you're done, you're going to wash your hands, of course, put your painting away, get out a free draw paper, and wait until the end for that bubble popping party. All right, everybody, happy arting today.